How's it going? This is AK Detailing with a brand new video. Today I didn't work due to it barely stopped raining, so there wasn't really nothing at all today. So today I have an unboxing video of some pump sprayers. You guys probably see some of my pump sprayers before. I have the IK Foam Pro 12. The Foam Pro 12, I use it for doing the seats on the cars and all that. And I also was using a pump sprayer by Chemical Guys. This one I got at Walmart. Chemical Guys is a good brand, but the pump sprayer is not all that due to it has a rubber seal, and then when you're putting the cap on, it's just it's a hassle doing it. Sometimes like the rubber pops on, you have to try to go slow, and just time consuming. I already had around 3 of these that broke in 1 week recently, so I just had to buy new pump sprayers. I bought these for the meantime due to needing them right away. I just went to my local Walmart, got them, and they're also cheap. They're also $20, so didn't hurt. They lasted what I say 6 months, and then you can see they're pretty beat up. I don't know if you can see that good, but they are pretty beat up. That's how they've been, just literally mistreated. If you're barely starting, I do recommend these. Something just real cheap to see if your detailing business take off, because I understand that the IK they're pretty pricey, not too pricey. I was gonna go with another brand a little bit better than the IK that I've been seeing the reviews, but due to the prices, it's really unnecessary, and I've been having good reviews, good personal review on the IK, so I just decided to stay with that bottle. Works perfect. I like how it sprays. I understand I think it's called the Miralax, lasts longer on spraying, but I really don't catch myself spraying and for a whole bunch of minutes. So it's nothing really bad with just pumping and all that. So I think this one's broken, so I'm not even sure. So what I did, I purchased pump sprayers, so 3 of them, 1 big and 2 small ones, as I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's go ahead and start opening up the package. So on this package, I got them literally in a package where it come out a little bit cheaper due to it having what I really just needed. Worked out perfectly, because I purchased the same package before, similar packages before, and then it came with the stuff I needed. So I basically needed the same things again because of my other bottles messing up. Oh, and where I got them was the Rag Company. Rag Company, I like getting my stuff, and I also like getting my stuff from the Clean Garage. I purchased some stuff from the Clean Garage coming soon. There's gonna be another unboxing video, and you guys will be able to see that what I bought from the Clean Garage. But I have my preference where I grab certain things from different companies and all that. So. We have the IK Foam Pro 12. Is this one right here, as you can see. That one, I really do need another one for the rims. I do a lot of washes, and for the rims I like having it foamy and all that. So I bought another IK Foam Pro 12, so I could just right away just spray down all the rims and tires, and then scrub down and get going, instead of having to keep on refilling the rim cleaner and all that, because you do use a lot of chemical for the rims and tires, and it does go through quick when you just have a pump sprayer. This pump sprayer would last me to do, I say, around 5 to 6, it's around 6 cars to spray them down and all that, because I like putting a lot. And then I needed something that I need to stop and keep on refilling over and over. Let's go ahead and open up the box, see what comes inside. Okay, first we have tubes that come with it. These tubes, if you want foam, if you want no foam, if you want less foam, these help control that. The green, and then we have the orange, and then I think the inside of the punch sprayer has the gray one or silver, and then it has filters. One thing that you guys have to know about the punch sprayer, if you guys have one of these and they keep on jamming up. I remember I had somebody that comment, "Wow, does yours jam up?" Because mine jams up, and mine wasn't jamming up at the time. But recently, I say last week, mine's just started acting funny, and I was like, "Wow, is the punch sprayer messing up or what's going on?" So I literally took off the tip of the sprayer, and then noticed that it was just super dirty. So I do recommend you guys change out your filters before you guys think your pump sprayer is broken. So don't forget, you guys gotta save these. Okay, and next we have is the tube and the tips. So this is the tip right here where you're gonna put the filter in and change it out. And then also there's another tip right here where you're gonna use for your air compressor to fill up with air, so you don't have to keep on pumping the pump sprayer. So you literally just take this off right here and then add it, and then you can use your air compressor to air it up, and it's much easier than just having to pump, and time consuming. And next we have to clean, I think, your glasses on that. Well, I'm probably gonna need this. My glasses are just always dirty when I'm working. You get spray on my glasses, especially when I do rims. You're just going away and you hit a little pocket of water and just get your glasses dirty. And this is the handle, and this is the wand. So not difficult to put on. Literally just screw this on and then screw the tube in, screw the tips in, hold the tip, screw it in, and you're ready to basically go. The setup's already done. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, I don't think you guys want to keep on pumping this all the time. I don't know if you guys can see inside. There's a tube in there. Not too sure if you guys are able to see. There's a tube in there, and this tube, you just literally take it out, unscrew this, and take it out, and then you can just change it. Nothing too complicated. If you guys just get this, you guys will understand. It's really basic. Okay, next we have the IK Foam Pro 2. This one, use it for foam, or you can not use it for foam. It depends what you want. Switch it out if you really don't want the foam. The thing I really like about this punch sprayer is that it comes with the tips where I could have my different colors. So what I'm gonna end up doing, my green tips are gonna be for interior detailing. So I know what bottles I'm looking at, and just be okay, grab it. And the red tips are gonna be for exterior, like iron remover and all that. So those will be for exterior bottles and all that. So these will be for interior, and the other ones will be for exterior. So, and they also come with tips like the other tubes, the long ones. Comes with the green tip, and it comes with the orange tip in here. There's a green tip, and then I think like I said, the gray one's in there already. And this one is a IK Multi Pro 2. This one's a little bit different what it comes with. As you can see, this tip is different from this tip. I really do like. Oh my gosh! So I was literally editing my video right now, and I noticed that it didn't finish recording all of it. It just cut off for some reason, and that sucks. But I do highly recommend the IK Foam Pro 12, the big one, and then the multi, and also the just the IK product. It's really good. I think you guys will be satisfied if you haven't even tried them before, and it's just a big game changer. Also the Miralax, it's also a good one. You could compare them. One lasts longer spraying than the other. One has better spray mist than the other one. And then if you're barely starting off and you're on a big budget, I do recommend just hand sprayers, but also the Chemical Guys pond sprayer is also a good one. It's not really bad and all that, but you just had to treat that one a little bit better, because maybe you never know, it just breaks. Like 3 of them broke on me in 1 week. I don't know if I was just being real careless, or it just ended up just giving out. But I think I wasn't being too harsh on them that week, and I do understand sometimes I drop them. But let's get to the point. The point is, they're really good, and I do really recommend those. So if you're looking for a pump sprayer, that's probably the pump sprayer for you, or the Miralax. I've seen the reviews on that one, so I haven't tried it though. But I do watch some people on YouTube, and I do follow them, and they're really honest people. So also you could get that one, but that one just gonna probably cost you way more. I say like around $5 and to $10 more. I also want to say that prayers to the people from the Ukraine. Let's all send them a prayer. Just take a few minutes or a few seconds to send out a prayer. What they're going through is not easy, and it is something really delicate. So let's send the prayers out. Leave a comment at the bottom if you have any questions about the product. Thank you guys for watching. This is AK Detailing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're out. Peace.